Otto, and this is my first checkpoint video for my Metals 1 final project. My project is going to be a small end table for my bedroom. The why of this project would be that I need like a small nightstand sort of thing, and this table could work as that. These past few days I've been working on sketches. These are my first sketches, and these are my first plans with some measurements that could change possibly depending on the metal. So I'm going to finalize those tomorrow. I'm going to try to get a materials list set up so I can get to work as soon as possible. Hello, this is my checkpoint video number 2 for my Metals Final 1 project. Today is Friday, May 20th, and this week I got my plans finalized. And I got my metal ordered. So next week I should be able to put together my project and get some spray paint this weekend. And one modification I made already was my tabletop. I wanted it to be 15 by 15. But as you can see, it's 10.5 by 11 and 3/16 because that was the piece of metal I found in the metals room. So yeah, next week I should be able to get my project put together, and the final week I should be able to paint it and finish my portfolio. Today is Friday, May 27th, and this is my Metals 1 portfolio, checkpoint number 3. This week I got my bracers connected to my table leg, so I just need to weld the tabletop on, and then I need to spray paint and finish my portfolio in the next few days, so I should be set to go. My first problem / modification for my project was when I was welding a bracer on, the leg got a little moved, so the bracer's a little bit far sticking out, but it still works and it's all good to go. The second problem or modification was my bracers. During the start, I was going to have them towards the bottom of the legs, but when I was starting to construct it, I thought it would look better at the top, so I modified it and put them at the top. My third problem or modification was where I placed my tabletop with my legs. For the beginning, I was going to have each leg half an inch out would be the table length, but I had to move them around for reasons. My problem or modification number 4 was with my leg length. At first they're all supposed to be 19 inches, but I messed up with some of my cutting, so I made them all 18 inches, so it's all good to go now. Evaluation video, I'd say that my table turned out pretty good. So it's a little wobble to it, but that could have been fixed. My construction went well. I wish I would have taken a little bit more time making sure my leg lengths were correctly cut. But other than that, it was pretty good, and it solved my problem. I now have more space in my room.